Hello friends, you are again with Ruchi Jain. Welcome to my channel to learn German free. Here I am again with a new video which is based on how to write letters in German. This is the part 2. We have already done the part 1. So in this video we are going to discuss few more themes on writing letters. Before going ahead, let me ask you one question. Have you subscribed my channel yet? If not, please do consider to subscribe it. And do not forget to share it with your friends and ring the bell to get the notifications. Let me share some important information with you all. If you want to have the notes of this video, then you can just click on the link which is given in the description section. In this way, you can have the notes quite handy and you can use them whenever they are required. So let's go. Let's see our first letter. They are brief. This letter is based on the topic to decide the time of meeting. It is between two friends who are trying to decide when they can meet. So let's see how to frame this letter. Liebe Jana, danke für deinen Brief. Letzte Woche haben wir geplant, am Mittwoch zu treffen. Aber das geht leider nicht. Im Moment ist es total stressig. Gerade habe ich im Büro zu viel Arbeit und Kevin ist auch nicht in Hamburg. Am Abend muss ich noch einkaufen und kochen. Die Kinder sind auch mit ihren Schulprojekten beschäftigt. Am Samstag habe ich frei, da wollen die Kinder in die Berge fahren. Wir können uns am Sonntag treffen, wenn du frei hast. Viele Grüße, bis bald, Mara. So let's see. Let me give you a little bit explanation over here itself. Then we'll see the translation in the next slide in English. Dear Jana, danke für deinen Brief. Thank you for your letter. Letzte Woche haben wir geplant. Last week we have planned on Wednesday to meet on Wednesday. Aber das geht leider nicht. But unfortunately that's not possible. Im Moment ist es total stressig. Right now it is very stressful. Gerade habe ich im Büro zu viel Arbeit. Right now I am having too much work in the office. Und Kevin ist auch nicht in Hamburg. And Kevin is also not there in Hamburg. Am Abend muss ich noch einkaufen und kochen. In the evening I have to go for shopping and I have to cook. Die Kinder sind auch mit ihren Schulprojekten beschäftigt. The kids are also busy with their school projects. Am Samstag habe ich frei. On Saturday I have free time. Da wollen die Kinder in die Berge fahren. And at that time the kids want to go to mountains. Wir können uns am Sonntag treffen, wenn du frei hast. If you are free, we can meet on Sunday. Viele Grüße und bis bald, Mara. Many greetings and see you soon, Mara. So initially in this letter, she has written first, thank you for the letter she has received from her friend. And then she discussed what problems she is facing right now. That is why she is not able to make the time for meeting. So later on she offers new time to meet her friend. So that is how you can frame the letter. It's not necessary you have to write as it is. You can just put your thoughts here. So I have just given an example. So let's see the translation of this letter. The letter, Dear Jana, thanks for your letter. Last week we have planned to meet on Wednesday, but unfortunately that's not possible. At the moment it is totally stressful. Right now I have too much work in the office and Kevin is also not in Hamburg. In the evening I have to shop and cook. The kids are also busy with their school projects. On Saturday I have free time and that day the kids want to go to mountains. We can meet on Sunday if you have time. Many regards, or many greetings and see you soon, Mara. So that is how the translation is of the letter which we have read in the last slide. I hope this one is clear. No need to explain anything. Let's go ahead. Now the Antwort, the letter in response to the letter which we have read just now. Liebe Mara, das klingt echt stressig. Ich habe am Sonntagvormittag eine Verabredung, aber dann habe ich frei. Wir können uns gern treffen, 14 Uhr vielleicht. Wir können ins Café Elisa oder ins Kino gehen. Was willst du? Wann kommt Kevin zurück? Am Montag macht Lena eine Party. Könnt ihr kommen? Morgen rufe ich dich an. Okay? Viele Grüße, Johanna. Let me explain it a little bit over here itself, then we'll see the translation in the next slide in English. Liebe Mara, dear Mara, das klingt echt stressig. That sounds really stressful. Ich habe am Sonntagvormittag eine Verabredung. I have an appointment on Sunday morning, aber dann habe ich frei. But then I have free time. Wir können uns gerne treffen. We can definitely meet. 14 Uhr vielleicht, perhaps at 2 o'clock. Wir können ins Café Elisa. We can go to Café Elisa or ins Kino gehen. We can go to cinema. Was willst du? What do you want? Wann kommt Kevin zurück? When Kevin will come back? Am Montag macht Lena eine Party. On Monday, Lena will be having a party. Könnt ihr kommen? Can you guys come? Morgen rufe ich dich an. Tomorrow I will call you. Okay? Is that okay? Viele Grüße, Johanna. Many greetings, Johanna. I hope this is clear to you. Let's see the translation of this letter. The answer letter, dear Mara, that sounds really stressful. On Sunday morning, I have an appointment, but after that, I have free time. We can meet perhaps at 2 o'clock. We can go to Cafe Elisa or we can go to cinema. What do you want? When Kevin will be back? On Monday, Lena is having a party. Can you guys come? I will call you tomorrow, okay? Many regards, Johanna. So that's the translation in English of the letter which I have read just now. I hope this explanation is also clear. Thank you very much for watching my video till end. Danke sehr. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do consider to subscribe it. And do not forget to ring the bell. Do practice writing letters. It's very important to write the letters correctly. Thank you very much once again. See you. Tschüss. Bis bald.